Ever wonder why you have blue eyes and not brown, or why your smile looks just like your mom's? Well, the answer is hidden deep inside your body. Let me show you. Inside your body, there are tiny instructions called genes. They're like secret recipes that tell your body how to grow, what color your eyes will be, and even how tall you might get. These recipes are kept in special books called chromosomes. And guess what? You have a giant library of them in every single cell. Half of your books come from your mom, and the other half from your dad. Every living thing wants to pass on its genes. That's how life keeps going. But there's more than one way to do that. Let's check it out. Some animals don't need a partner to reproduce, they simply make a copy of themselves. Like this starfish, it splits, and voila, a new one appears, exactly the same. But other animals, like lions, need two to make one. Each parent gives half of their genes, and together they create a baby that's one of a kind. See? You're made from a mix of your mom's and dad's genes. That's why you're not a copy of anyone. You're totally, wonderfully you.